For vessels of 50 meters, about 164 feet or more in length, the ranges are as follows. Masthead light, 6 miles. Sidelight, 3 miles. Sternlight, 3 miles. If applicable, towing light, 3 miles. And white, yellow, red, or green all-round light, 3 miles. For vessels of 12 meters or 39 feet or more, but less than 50 meters or 164 feet, the ranges of lights are masthead light, 5 miles. Sidelight, 2 miles. Sternlight, 2 miles. If applicable, towing light, 2 miles, and white, yellow, red, or green all-round light, 2 miles. But, if the vessel is 12 to 20 meters or 39.4 feet to 65.62 feet, then the masthead light is 3 miles. For vessels less than 12 meters or 39.4 feet, masthead light, 2 miles. Sidelights, 1 mile. Sternlight, 2 miles. Towing light, 2 miles. For an inconspicuous partly submerged vessels, or object being towed, the visibility of white all-round light is 2 miles.